Hello, today I'd like to share with you a modern structure bouquet. I'm using cane for my bouquet structure, and I have prepared 5 of the binding wire, about 1 meter long each. I try to use the cane and make a circle. Continue with the binding wire, turning 2 or 3 rounds and twist 4 to 5 turns, and continue the next binding wire, twist and turn about 4 to 5 turns, and continue with the next cane. Using the next binding wire and turn and twist about 4 to 5 turns, and continue the next cane. So you can just continue with the same technique and continue to the end. So it's almost come to the end of the structure, and try to tighten it. So just try to secure all the ending and cut off the excess of the binding wire. So it's good. So try to cut the cane into a special shape for today's structure. Wow! And I'm using number 20 gauge wire to tie one of the corner. So we need about 4 wire for the 4 corner. So after you tighten the 4 corners and try to hold it together using one of the wire, and secure the rest of the wire together and act as your structure holder. So this sample, and this is the biggest portion. So we start with the eucalyptus leaf, and you realize with the structure it really helps to hold the leaf in the right positions. We start to using the eucalyptus leaf as the base of the foundation of the structure. With the nice eucalyptus leaf, and it really create a very flowy and soft look, and actually it helps to hold the rest of the flower in the right positions. So we start with the mini rose, and remember all the flower have to move to the same direction, which is called spiral direction. So we have some of the different flower. This is Rushing Bright. So this is Hellebolus. Hellebolus stem is a bit weak, and I think sometimes it's quite difficult to go through the stem, but you just try to turn it a bit and it's able to go through the stem. I'm using beautiful containers to create beautiful texture. Of course, like when you prepare your bouquet, and make sure you prepare all your material and strip the leaf on the bottom of the stem, and make sure it's clean and smooth, so it's very easy for you to slot into your bouquet. So the containers actually create a beautiful texture and space for the bouquet. So now we have our focus flower, Peony. So Peony is a beautiful flower. It's end or beginning of summer and of spring flower. And it really help to showcase the whole bouquet, the impact of the bouquet. We always try to keep the flower not on the same distance. I mean, try to keep it to the front, to the back, to the middle, so that beautiful depth, front, middle, and back. So left and right. So it really helps to showcase a 4-dimension bouquet. It's not one-sided, but they are all rounded. So with the structure, you realize it's so easy to hold the flower in the right position. to the end of the bouquet, doing our finishing touch. So we'll try to using the binding wire and hold all the stems together. Binding wire is kind of wire that is so easy to hold the bouquet in peace. So after you tie up the bouquet and trim the bottom of the stem, so we can prepare a container and ready and place in a beautiful container. So the bouquet is done. So there will be a final touch for the bouquet, and actually I prepared a handmade butterfly with wrapping paper and the wire, and it helped to hold the butterfly in such a floating position. So you can feel that the butterfly become live. So using about 5 butterflies. So just turn the wire onto the structure. Wow, I'm ready. So the bouquet become live. Hope you enjoy this section, and I hope to see you again in the near future. Thank you. See you. Bye.